Alex right there with his camera.
Oh.
And Alex here with his camera.
Wow. Which one did you push? I pushed down. Oh, wow. Aw, man.
Aw, man. It is modded, but have you ridden this before, Alex?
No. I would say this is just a slap-on mod.
Yeah, it's mostly original. But look, Alex is using the test light. Floor passing chime up above my head.
Sounds like Montgomery's been through here at some point in time.
Yep.
Alright, send her up to 4.
Yeah. I didn't think it was in Montgomery at all, but maybe it was modded by them. Maybe that's who the vendor was. Alright, let's listen to motor.
Alright, press GL.
Engine door close. It's got our cat view. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1.
EPCO Circleline fixtures.
Yep, EPCO Circleline. Very similar to Westinghouse AE and Montgomery A series.
On there.
And ADA compliant phone. Custom for University of Arizona. And we're ending on street level.
Yes,
Could be this door. There's up the shaft. GL. Door clutch. Let it close up. It is. And like a look at these fixtures. You can get yours, and I'll get mine here in just a second. Wow. Love these fixtures.
Alright, let's check off Forbes Building.
Yep. And here we have our list here.
Yep.
And that's going to be it.